Hey, I'm Kanwar and I'm a senior motion graphic designer here at Lumen5. As part of the creative services team, we are here to empower you to tell your brand story effectively through video. We transform your brand guidelines into customized branded templates for making videos. At Lumen5, we believe in storytelling with purpose to make your message resonate louder and longer. We provide the guardrails to ensure your videos are consistent and on brand. You no longer have to worry about communicating every detail. Our goal here is to help your team become unified in your brand identity. It's a partnership between our team and yours. Together, we bring to life your custom video templates, pushing the boundaries of creativity to ensure your videos stand out. You will spend more time being creative and less time worrying about how to stay on brand. We work with Best Western, Cisco, P&G, SAP, and more. We empower teams to create on-brand videos that resonate well with their audience. When you start your creative journey with Lumen5, you turn your brand's message into unforgettable works of art that captivate, engage, and inspire. We can't wait to see what you create with Lumen5.